Greetings, parents and students. Today, we're going to review Standard 2OA2, where we will be able to add and subtract within 20 using mental strategies. The essential question is, what strategies can I use to fluently add and subtract? Well, today, our strategy is counting up to subtract. When we subtract, we don't always have to start at the largest number and count backwards. We can start at the least or the smallest number and count up to subtract. First, we have to make a number line. What number should be at the beginning of the number line? You guessed it, the smallest number, number 7. We're going to count up to what number? That's right, to the 12, the other number in the equation. Here we go. Help me count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can stop. Okay, time for the fun part. Let's put our pencils back on 7 and skip count and see how many counts or skips it took for us to get to the 12. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's label our skip counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took us 5 skip counts to get from 7 to 12. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. That's the difference. Now let's try 17 minus 9. What do we make first? You guessed it, a number line. 9 should be written at the beginning because we are counting up from the smallest number to the largest number in order to subtract. Okay, do you remember what number we should count to? Yes, 17, the other number in our equation. Here we go. We already have 9, so the next number is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's count our skip jumps. Go back to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 skip jumps. It took us 8 skip jumps to count up from 9 to 17. So 17 minus 9 is, let's count those skip jumps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Great job. Now let's try another equation. Oh, look at this. Something or mystery number minus 2 equals 13 minus 7. Wow. This is 2 equations in one. Now the equal sign means that everything on the left, or the numbers on the left, should be equal or the same as the numbers on the right side of the equation. So we have to figure out what number goes into the empty box that will make the left side of the equation equal or be the same as the right side of the equation. But can we solve the left side of the equation? We can't. Why not? Because we don't know both numbers. There's a missing number. So let's move over to the right side of the equation. Can we solve 13 minus 7? Yes, we can, because we know both numbers. So let's count up to subtract. First, let's make that number line. Okay, remember, when we count up, we start with the smallest number and count up to the largest. So let's start at 7 and stop at 13. Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now for the fun part. Let's count our skip jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is 6. Let's write the number 6 under the 13 minus 7. So 6 is the magic skip count number. Now, the left side of the equation is easy to solve because we know we must skip count by or 6 times on the left side of the equation as well. Now let's draw another number line. We don't know what the first number is in our equation, but we do know that there is a 2. So let's write that 2 at the beginning of our number line so we can count up. How many times do we count up? Yes, 6 times. That's our skip count number for both sides. Let's skip count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's write in the numbers so that we can see what number should be in the missing box. We already have a 2. The next number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our missing number. Notice I'm writing the numbers under each dip down that each jump makes. So let's circle the 8 at the end of that number line and write it in the missing number box. Now, our equation is the same on both sides. 8 minus 2 is 6, just like 13 minus 7 is 6. So 6 equals 6. Thank you for watching our video today.